I'm Alicia, I'm Arts and Life Editor at The Eye Opener, and I'm here with Amy from Crumpler, and we're actually going to do a draw to give away some more great Crumpler bags.
Okay. Alright, Eduardo, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next prize winner is... Oh, here we go. A Coity. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. So they're our second winner. Our next winner is Jennifer Lewis.
She's a good one.
Yeah. Mix them around a bit more. Okay. So what are we up to? The fourth winner is Timothy. And the next one is Lydia. L-E-D-Y-A. And wow, this person has just left their initials. HPJB. They've left their number, which is great. So what number are we up to now? Number 7.
Yeah.
Okay, Luxon is the 7th winner. Wow, there's so many entries here. It's great. Eric is our next winner. And then we have Adnan. And our final winner, I have it in my hand, is Sophia. So congratulations everybody. Hope you love your new bags.
Yay.
And yeah, thanks for your support. So